Hello friends and family from the premium outlets here on Vineland Ave. Today I'm going to be heading on into the Disney character warehouse. I cannot wait to get inside because last time we were here they started getting in some of that Halloween merchandise with the plaid print. I can't wait to see if they have any more. Like, I really want to see if they have the adult size and the Halloween t-shirt in here. I definitely have to pick that up if they do. But before we get started, if you would hit that subscribe button and bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would really appreciate it. At the time of recording this is about 11 a.m. right now, and this parking lot here is like totally packed, but it's really nice to see, like, just so busy here lately. Even if you're not coming here for the sole purpose of the character warehouse, you have some amazing stores like Coach, Adidas, over here Banana Republic, Talbot's, Polo, Ralph Lauren, New Balance, Nautica, and Diesel. Got some really good stores here. But always for our videos, we like to keep them theme park related, such as Disney and Universal, and we always try to stretch our theme park dollar here and see what type of really good deals we'll find at the character warehouse today. In front of the character warehouse, they even have a tree set up here for Coach. Gift the feeling. Check that out. That's pretty cool for the Coach store. Right here at the outlets on Vineland. But we're gonna head on into the Disney character warehouse. Let's go do this. So as soon as I come in here, I'm noticing a new shirt, Wicked Spooky. A new hat, I should say. This was originally $27.99, marked down to $12.99. Oh, here's another new item, these Halloween gibbets for the Crocs right here. And again, this is that flannel print I was talking about. These are new here. I really, really like these a lot. These are $9.99. They have a new Haunted Mansion long sleeve shirt right here with the Hitchhiking Ghost, originally $44.99, now marked down to $19.99. Look at this. You can have some leggings over here for Jack Skellington. I love the print on these. These are $29.99, originally $44.99. Looks like they got some more of the large pirate sashes in here from Pirates League. These are originally $9.99, now marked down to only 99 cents. Also a good selection of the pirate keys as well. These are really, really fun actually for 99 cents. And also the Pirates League coin medallion for $1.99 right here. You can also get your Pirates League treasure bag for 99 cents. For $12.99 they have an 11-inch Frozen 2 Kristoff doll. They actually have quite a bit of these. Oh, this is perfect. They have the Frozen Stationery zip-up kit again for $14.99, but they actually have what the contents are right here. Get a good looking at that. That was originally $19.99. They have a girl's Anna from Walt Disney World and Frozen right here, tank top for $14.99, originally $24.99. I light my way. I like this shirt a lot actually. This one here is $14.99. And Trust Your Journey t-shirt right here for $14.99, originally $24.99. These are new for $1.99, originally $16.99. It looks like a pack of socks in there. That's a really good deal. And some really cool packaging as well. They have a girl's little backpack right here, The Sun Makes Me Sparkle, for $24.99. I don't remember seeing this either. For $9.99, they have a 2021 snow globe right here. That's a really good deal. Originally $16.99, and it's still 2021. How cool is that? Also a really good assortment of magnets for your Mickey waffle for $9.99, your premium ice cream bar for $9.99, and they still have a bunch of the 2020 photo frame magnets right here for 99 cents only. Look at this new cup right here. I love gelato. This is really fun actually. It looks like it has like an ice cream on top here. And these are $10.99, originally $24.99. They're also getting some of the Homestead collection placemats. Look at these. We actually have one of these. This is $9.99 from $12.99. Oh wow, they have some of the dinner plates too. These are so beautiful, guys. Absolutely love these. These are $9.99 as well. Disney Parks, originally $14.99 a plate. For $19.99, originally $34.99. They have these new bowls here at the Character Warehouse. It's like a leaf print with Mickey right here. That's a really cool bowl. For $19.99, I really love this classic Mickey print right here on this hoodie. This was originally $34.99, but how can you go wrong with this? They have a good selection of boys' sunglasses right here for $5.99. They say Roadster on the back and ready. These are really neat actually, for only $6. And they also have some of the Disney Parks train whistles for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I like these a lot actually. Look at this t-shirt right here for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge Landing 2019. This shirt was originally $24.99. Now it's marked down to $3.99 only. They still have a bunch of the ABC kitchen aprons right here for $19.99. These were originally $34.99. Even got some hidden Mickeys in there. We have some of the ABC Disney mugs, originally $19.99, now marked down to $12.99. All purchases limited at 2 per guest per SKU per day. We have some of these rainbow baseball hats right here, originally $27.99, now marked down to $9.99. And they have the rainbow patches as well. These are $9.99. For $44.99, they still have a bunch of the ink and paint spirit jerseys right here. But this one here really caught my eye. I don't remember seeing this since '71, original Walt Disney World. This is a button-up coat right here. Oh, look at this, guys. Then you have 1971 Walt Disney World on the back with Mickey right there. This is so nice. Oh, look at this. You got some frozen Anna or Elsa. Olaf Rice Krispie treats, originally $6.49. Now these are only 99 cents. How good of a deal is that right there? They have a whole slew of them, a whole end cap. They have a women's V-neck with a classic Mickey right here for Walt Disney World for $19.99. That was originally $29.99. I also really like the style icon Minnie right here with the bows. For $20.99, this tote bag was originally $29.99, but how amazing is this? With the Walt Disney World logo, you have Spaceship Earth, the Cinderella Castle, the monorail. You got everything on here for only $21. It has a nice leather strap as well. We have some new Hollywood Studios gift bags right here. These are only $2 in case you want to take one of these home with you. Oh, look at this. This one's amazing with Mickey. Got some Star Wars, some Pixar. That one's really cool. But this purse up here really caught my eye. This Captain America one, I've never seen this before. Originally $74, marked down to $44.99. That's a really good deal. How crazy are these Star Wars Chewbacca, like fuzzy iPhone cases for the iPhone X and XS? Drop a comment down below, like would you put this on your phone? I love Chewbacca, but I'm not sure. That's really neat though. I also really like these, the Bounty dog spirit jerseys right here. How amazing is this? Love this. And these are $19.99, originally $36.99. For $4.99, they have this double pack of Grumpy beverage holders, originally $14.99. These are new to the Character Warehouse. Look at this shirt right here. Disney Tales again. This spirit jersey. How awesome is this? For your animal, and these are $12.99, originally $24.99. Oh, we got another one down here. Another new one. We got Donald Duck spirit jersey. For your animal, these are $14.99. Look at that. They still have a good selection of the Star Wars pins for $6.99, originally $17.99. These ones are limited edition and 2 per guest if you're interested in some Star Wars pins. Another new keychain right here. This one's beautiful. It's very sparkly. You have that rainbow print for only $3.99. Then right over here we have Sorcerer Mickey for only $4.99. And for $19.99 we have this Droid Depot shirt, originally $36.99. A couple of nice little Star Wars toys here. We got Duo, Spark and Go. Then you have a Duo Glow for $7.99. How fun does that look? $8 only. I also noticed this new spirit jersey I've never seen here before. Just has that Walt Disney World design on the back right here. This one here is $35.99, but a new one. It's nice to see a new spirit jersey here. Okay guys, holy cow. Like I was not expecting the Character Warehouse to have that many new items that we haven't seen there in the past. Like wow, they are completely loaded up So if you're coming to visit, definitely go to the Character Warehouse here on Vineland. They have so many new items at great prices. If you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and as always, make today awesome.